Welcome to Tammy's Rippin' Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a flavorful falafel wrap. I hope you enjoy. So to start off, you will want to make your falafel bites, and I have a recipe for those on my YouTube. And then you'll want your wrap and some cut up veggies. I've cut up some cucumber here and some tomatoes, alfalfa sprouts, and I've also made my ranch dressing. So you will want to make some type of a sauce. So take your spinach and lay it on the bottom portion of your tortilla. And then your falafel bites. I find 3 works well. And then top with some sauce. And I also have a video for sauces on my YouTube, so I'll link that below. And then onto the cucumber. And now some cherry tomatoes, just sliced in half. And now some lettuce. It was a salad, so it just had a few tomatoes and cucumbers and a few peppers in it. So whatever you have, you can just use lettuce if you like. And now another drizzle of the sauce. And some cracked black pepper, along with some dill. And now I like to top with some alfalfa sprouts or any type of sprout that you have. I do like to put the sauce underneath. It just makes a less soggy wrap. And there you go, got your wrap made up. I will just show you how I wrap it up. I do wrap my hubby's up for his lunch, so I will use the aluminum foil. So I'll show you how I do that. So you just gently fold in the sides, and then the part that's closest to you, just start to roll it forward. So there we go, the wrap's all finished. I did open it back up again and cut it so you could see what the inside looked like too. It was absolutely delicious. And I served it with some lentil stew and a little bit of hot sauce. So yummy and flavorful and very filling. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe.